Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Nicole Castillo and welcome po sa aking daily devotion. So, ang topic po natin ngayon is speaking in tongues. So, among Christians traditions, there are two kinds of speaking in tongues. First is glossolalia, is a static speech, unintelligible and not a human language. Next is Psenologia. However, is the miraculous ability to speak real human language, unknown to the speaker, as seen at Pentecost in Act 2, where the diverse nations heard the gospel in their own tongue. So, ayon po sa Acts chapter 2, verse 4 to 12, all of them were filled with the Holy Spirit and began to speak in other tongues as the Spirit enabled them. Now, there were staying in Jerusalem God-fearing Jews from every nation under heaven. When they heard this sound, a crowd came together in bewilderment because each one heard their own language being spoken. Utterly amazed, they asked, "Aren't all these who are speaking Galileans? Then how is it that each of us hears them in our native language, or Persian?" Medes and eliminates residents of Mesopotamia, Judea and Cappadocia, Pontus and Asia, Phrygia and Pamphylia, Egypt and the parts of Libya near Cyrene, visitor from Rome. So, ayon po sa ating katuruan, sinasabi ko na it is intelligible human language. So, ibig sabihin ang magsasalita ng mga or salita ng speaking in tongues ay tunay na lengguwahe ng naintindihan ng tao, hindi random na tunog lang. Next is it requires interpretation. So, kailangan ito ma-interpret o maintindihan ng iba para maging malinaw ang mensahe. Next is it confirms the gospel for all nations. So, pinapatunayan ito na ang gospel ay para sa lahat ng bansa at lahi, kaya may iba't ibang lingwahe. Sa applications naman po, do not obsess over studying speaking in tongues. So, huwag masyadong mag-focus o mag-overthink tungkol sa pag-aaral ng speaking of tongues. Next is pray with your own language. So, manalangin gamit ang lingwahe comfortable ka para mas taos puso. And 3, next is avoid mysticism and shamanism. So, iwasan ang pag-practice ng may kinalaman sa mysticism o shamanism kasi hindi ito ayon at sa tama at malinaw na pagtuturo. And ayun lang po, maraming salamat.